Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome to another Cut to You Design Team layout. This is the Cut of the Month Club cut file. It is called, I know this answer. It is called Daisies and Frames. So we've got 2 frames and 2 beautiful florals. I've got 2 photos, which we're gonna stick in there. Okay, got that going. We've got the storyteller kit from Cocoa Vanilla. So this right here, I have hello from the. That's it. I have a few of these pieces, which I'm actually, you guys, I'm gonna cut them out. So I'm like, doo-doo, because maybe not. I don't really know. We'll see. We'll see. I have the 6x8 paper pads, and I have a whole bunch of scraps that I can use to back the cut file in. And then we need to pick what we want to put that on. Alright. Craziness is going on. We're gonna go with the green. And then I have all these fun little bits. So I went shopping with my bestie today. You guys picked up, these are from TJ Maxx. These were $2 for 3 at Target. And these were on sale at Hobby Lobby. So I got 4 of these, but we got all these bits. I'm gonna fussy cut those. I've got some black hearts from a different Cut to You cut file. I've got all kinds of fun stuff in there. Over here we've got just random gems, 3 wood buttons, a stamp set, and some puppies. So what I'm gonna do is trim this off, but I have not played with this in a while. I got this 2 years ago. I know, but I just figured that this cut file would pop right on off of that. So how cool is that? And we'll go ahead and get something on there. We'll get the photos trimmed down, matted, that cut off. Use all of these, and I'm thinking about cutting these up so I can just kind of distribute them into one bag. So give me a minute to do all that, and we'll be right back. So this is what we've got. I've got these 2 things pulled out. I've got the little happy thoughts stuck right down here. We've got hello for part of the title. And we're going to put take the photo. So hello, take the photo. Ow. So let's just banner this up so it looks kind of cool. So this is just a collection, you guys, that I totally forgot I had. How horrible was that? Very horrible. But that's why I just decided it was probably best to clean the room and see what we had. So hello, take the photo. That's pretty much how my kid thinks most of the time. Like, come on, take a photo, Mom. Stick that one there. And I like this little smile to be tucked in. Little catty wampus, right? And then what else do we have? Be kind of fun to put a little wood. Oh, you know what? Let me have it. Oh, really? Okay, so that one's going there. Then we'll put the camera, because this is what I wanted to do with the butterfly, but that's not going to work now. And we'll stick the love right there. And one more thing used up. And I'm just kind of sifting through what we've got over here. stick that in there as well. Whoa. And I actually just trimmed the Happy Thoughts right off of this one. And I think we'll come in and we'll polish it off with just a few of these hearts. Scatter it around a little bit around the layout. And that's going to do it, you guys. So don't forget to check out Cut to You. Pick up yourself this beautiful cut file. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.